Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. So I hope so you have completed day 20 agenda, that is about shell exit and case statements. So that was one of the important concept. So how to handle that, the written status codes, and on the basis of the status codes, how do we implement the logics, that is to handle the success cases and the failure cases. Yes, that was concept which we were understanding that in the previous video. So now in this video, we are going to discuss that. Yeah, you are going to have it. There's especially the day 21 agenda that is about shell scripting iterations. Yeah, this is also another important concept. So if you are in that like a development side and if you are writing that any scripting, that could be shell or Python or Java, any program, if you just take it that, the iterations is one more important concept. But before starting this agenda, so if you're following the learning path journey and if you think this is very helpful, then please like, comment and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest update. And now let's go ahead to understand the day 21 agenda that is about shell scripting iterations. So if we follow that about our 100 days of the DevOps, yes, we are in the shell scripting journey. And in the day 21, yeah, before talking about that, the important the points. So if you are interested to learn it all these points, so we have designed so in such a way that like easy way to go ahead and to learn it. So yes, all that has been organized. So you need to spend it every day. That is 2 to 3 hours, and you will get it like all the real-time scenarios with the projects and assignments. And this course is recorded online, the class sessions. That means already some students, they were learning that using these videos. The same videos we are giving that, which is the reasonable cost point of view, with all these modules covering that. That is Linux, Shell, Cloud. You will be going to have that with the detail, and DevOps, each and every tool you will be having that with the detailed explanation. Yeah, and as well as you'll be having the support every day morning, that is between 8 to that 9. Yes, so if you have any queries, questions, which you can discuss that in this session. Agenda. So let me just explain that today's agenda point of view, what you are going to learn it from this section. Yes, let me explain that point. Yeah, as we are understanding, the agenda is iterations learning. But what is the usage of these what is the usage of these iterations? In which context we use it, these iterations? And what are the different types of the iteration? That's we have this in the shell scripting. That is loop types, especially for loop, while loop. In which context? That is also important. Okay, we have the iterations, but for loop, in which context I will use it in the real time? The while loop, in which context we need to use it? And as well as what is the infinite loops? And how do you control that infinite loops? So by using that break and continue statements. Yeah, all these the concepts you will get it in this agenda. So with the real-time examples which are required for the DevOps in here. So that is you are going to learn it. So if you go to that about our the forum links. Yeah, so we are talking that the shell scripting, and we are in this day 21. And if you go to this link, scripting iterations, so it contains one video. So around 1 hour 40 minutes, the video is available, clearly explained with the for loops and while loops examples. And you will get it the lab guide on this one also. Yeah, that is about this agenda. So if you are interested, yes, so this is a course which is available. So you can go to the learning path section. And anyway, I will share it in the description also, this link. Yes, this is the course which you can access that 100 days the program, the DevOps AWS with the Kubernetes, Docker, that is the multi-cloud, and with Azure also. Yeah, that's all from this section. So I hope so you will get that agenda of this. I mean, you got it now, this agenda of the 21. Now we'll meet that in the next section. Thank you.